The Copenhagen Opera House in Denmark is an architectural masterpiece that attracts tourists from all over the world. Located in the bustling city of Copenhagen, this iconic landmark has become a symbol of Danish culture and artistic excellence. Designed by renowned architect Henning Larsen, the Copenhagen Opera House is a stunning example of modern Scandinavian architecture. Its sleek lines and glass facade make it a prominent structure on the city's waterfront. A visit to the Copenhagen Opera House provides a unique opportunity to experience Denmark's rich cultural heritage. The Opera House hosts a variety of performances including opera, ballet, concerts, and theater productions. So, if you are planning a trip to the capital of Denmark, don't miss the opportunity to visit the famous Copenhagen Opera House. Immerse yourself in its thrilling performances or simply marvel at its architectural splendor.